Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Children, today we'll discuss something very much important in our life. So, today we'll discuss the topic be positive. Okay, first of all, I will tell you what is negative thinking and what is positive thinking. Okay, positive thinking. What is positive thinking? A person who always thinks positive. He tries to see good and hopeful even in bad situation. The persons जो कि हमेशा positive सोचते हैं, they always see good and hopeful. अच्छा सोचते हैं ना. So they always think hopeful even in their bad situation, even in the time of problems. Okay, and what is negative thinking? The person who thinks negative, they always wonder about problems. Okay, वो हमेशा problems के ही बारे में सोचते हैं. Okay, like so negative thinking is an obstacle to achieve the desired goal. जो goal हमने decide किया है, if we think negative, we cannot achieve that goal. Okay, so negative thinking is an obstacle to achieve the desired goal. The people who think always negative, they always see wrong issues. They always create a problem for themselves. Okay, I would like to share a story regarding this. Okay, children, the story of two seeds. There were two seeds. They were talking. They were just laying down in a fertile soil. One seed said that I want to grow. I want to blossom in the sun. Okay, and it grew. And the another seed, it thought, if I will grow, my sprouts can be harmed by the creature in the dark soil. So he thought, I will wait for some time. And you know what happened? One day he was waiting for the right time, and what happened? One hand who was scratching the soil ate it. So he was thinking as negative and he has spoiled his life. Another seed, he thought positive and it grew high. So we should always think positive if we want to grow. If we want to become confident, we should think positive. There are more benefits of positive thinking. Positive thinking help to manage the stress. Okay, positive thinking help to manage the stress. It can improve our health. Okay, so positive thinking improve our health. It increases our lifespan. Okay, children, we became more confident and happy. So the positive thinking plays an important role in our life. If we want to become happy, we should always think positive. We should always think I can do, instead of thinking this is too hard for me. We should always cultivate a growth mindset. We should think positive things always. Instead of thinking this is too hard for me, you can think I can do it. Instead of thinking I quit. कोई भी काम करने से पहले आप उसको लीव कर दो. This is not a good habit. Okay, this is a negative thinking कि you if there is any competition, you are not participating. I am quitting because I cannot do it. No, you should think I won't give up. I will not give up. I will try my best. Okay, and you should think I will learn by mistake, instead of thinking that was a big mistake. Don't think कि अगर आपसे mistake हो जाती है, don't think it is a big mistake. Always think I will learn by mistakes. Okay, and think I want to do my best. Whatever the work you are doing, you should think always I want to do the best instead of thinking I don't care. So you should have to change your thinking. Okay, each and everything depends on our thinking. So we should think only I can make it better. Whatever work is given to you, okay, or whatever the things you are doing by your own, you should always think I can make it better, because there is always a room for improvement. Okay, and you should think in your bad time that it is a one bad day in my life. So don't get disappointed, don't think negative by the worst situation. Even in your worst situation, think positive. Positive thinking is important to remain healthy and happy life. Okay, so from today onwards, each and every student think positive and try to do better in your life. Okay children, so today the class is over. I will share a story of the seed. I will send a video with this video. Okay, you just see the story. Okay.